Good day everyone. So first of all, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nino Cristian Ates. So first, what are the three branches of governance? In many demographic systems, the executive, legislative, and juridical departments are three arms of government. Number one, executive is the branch of government responsible for overall governance of a state. And number two, legislative is responsible for making laws within a country. Number three, refers to the branch of government responsible for interpreting laws, settling disputes, and administering justice. And the second, what is the purpose of good governance? Ensuring fairness, accountability, openness, and efficiency in resource allocation and decision making within governments, communities, and organization is the goal of good governance. Through promoting trust, involvement, and sensitivity to citizens' concerns, it seeks to advance the welfare and advancement of society as whole. Number 3. What are 8 basic elements of good governance? Explain each. So number 1, participation involves effectively including all relevant parties in the decision making process to ensure that their viewpoints are heard and considered. Number 2, rule of law, upholding impartial compliance with laws and rules to ensure justice, equity, and fairness for all citizens. And number 3, transparency, requires openness in the process used to make decisions as well as public access to information in order to promote trust and accountability. And number 4, responsiveness. Governmental institutions ought to be sensitive to the concerns and desires of the public, responding quickly to issues and providing solutions. And number 5, consensus oriented, encouraging dialogue, negotiation, and compromise in order to reach decisions that are best for society as a whole. Number 6, equity and inclusiveness, ensuring that all members of society, especially disadvantaged and vulnerable groups, may access and benefit from programs and services. Number 7, effectiveness and efficiency, putting policies into practice and providing services effectively in order to fulfill the demands of the populace and accomplish desired results. Number 8, accountability, ensuring that institutions are representatives of the government are held responsible for their deeds, including decisions and resource allocation. Number 4, as a student, how can you contribute in upholding good governance in our country? Inform peers on the fundamentals of governance and hold dialogues to increase awareness. Participate in student government, clubs, and organizations to practice democratic decision making and leadership skills. Set a good example for others by acting with honesty, integrity, and responsibility in all of dealings with people. Keep up on the policies, issues, and current affairs that affect my nation. Being knowledgeable gives me the ability to make wise judgments and effectively participate in talks about government. After all, knowledge is power.